The first time that I used Workflowy, I didn't like it. It felt overwhelming. I couldn't get it to be organized the way I wanted it to be. It felt like staring at a blank page. These Chrome extensions or plugins are helpful in adding a bit of extra functionality to Workflowy. Let's jump right in. At number 1, we have Workflowy MultiFlow. It's a super useful way to work fast. Let's take a look at how it works. Alright, so here we are in Workflowy. The first thing that we want to do is go ahead and command or control click into a bullet. So when I did that, I held down command or control. That opened up book notes on the right hand side here. And it's really helpful whenever you're trying to stay in context for research. And if I press command or control and click on this bullet, then it opens it up even in third panel here. And on the top right hand side, you can see there are X's, so I can close out those panels. This is super helpful when doing research or when trying to do research and keep it in context of the last thing that you saw. One of the ways that I like to use it is I can hold a to-do list on one side and then have my research notes on the right side. Super helpful. All right, coming in at number 2, we have Workflowy to Google Calendar. So this is a great one if you live by your calendar. Let's go into this to-do list here. And we're going to go and remember the milk, and we'll put in a date. So let's say like next week, and then we'll press tab. And now with the Workflowy to Google Calendar plugin, we just press here on the button, and this will create a new event calendar with the title of what that was. It puts in the date, and it actually links back to the Workflowy thread too, so you can reference it later. Very nice. Workflowy web clipper for number 3. Let's say we're doing some research here and we found a good quote that we'd like to include. Go ahead and highlight this, click on the web clipper. You'll see it has the title at the top. If we go in here and we'll go into our research, all right, we've got long read selected here. Click clip here. It will put that entire quote and a link back to the source. Such a great one for saving notes during the day. Let's go. Number 4. So it is WFX for Workflowy, and this is a big one. This allows you to navigate quickly throughout Workflowy, gives you the ability to make shortcuts within Workflowy that have URL options where you can pull down a bar and be able to jump to something quickly within the environment. And then on top of that, the author who made it has WFX Power Pack. And this has over 90 scripts that keep getting added. It's got templates for things like calendars that you can use. It's got bookmarklets and a whole bunch of items. That would be another video in of itself. So definitely give this one a look. To get started with this plugin, right click on the icon, choose options. It goes to this window that lets you set up shortcuts, add URLs, add JavaScript, and miscellaneous settings. And even more options and JavaScripts and examples and templates are included with that Power Pack that I mentioned before. And last but not least, we have WorkFindy for Workflowy. So let's say you're doing some research and you're in here and you're like, oh, you know what? I need to find that long reads piece that I put together. You can go ahead and search long reads. You can go ahead and search for anything in Workflowy from anywhere, which is really helpful when you're just like, I know that thing, it's somewhere and I just need to find it real quick. Great time saver. Let me know in the comments if I missed an awesome plugin that you use with Workflowy. For a guide to set up your second brain in Workflowy, check out the video linked in the description. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech videos diving into tips on productivity, Workflowy, and everything tech. I'll see you on the next one.